Read the question.
There's a cube of volume 125 m cube. Its faces are to be covered by sticking handmade paper and wrapping paper on them for a craft project in the following way. Three faces of the cube are to be covered fully with handmade paper. Now, two other faces are to be covered using four strips of wrapping paper and four strips of handmade paper for each face. Each strip of an area equal to 1/8 of a face of the cube. The remaining face is to be covered half by each kind of paper. What is the product of the surface area of the cube covered by the handmade paper and that covered by wrapping paper?
Okay. So basically, first understand the question. A cube has six faces, right?
Huh?
And if the volume of the cube is 125, then the side will be 5.
Huh?
That is
Okay.
125 ka cube root.
Huh? Huh?
So each face area will be 5 square, that is 25.
5 square.
So
So that's 25
out of the
square.
six faces, three faces are covered by handmade paper,
Three faces are covered by handmade paper.
and two faces are covered with four strips of each paper, each strip being 1/8 of the area of the cube. So that makes
Acha.
it 50-50.
Um,
If you are using equal
okay.
number of strips of handmade paper and the other paper, wrapping paper,
Huh?
then the
Huh?
area covered will be 50-50.
Yeah.
है ना?
Hmm.
Because you are using equal quantities of both the papers.
Acha. Huh.
है ना?
Okay.
And the other face is also wrapped half by each paper. So that is also 50-50.
Acha.
है ना?
Yeah, that's 50/50.
So for the handmade paper, you have three faces are fully covered with handmade paper.
Huh. Two
And,
faces are covered by four strips of those two paper.
and the
Um.
uh, see, first you see that the three faces are covered by handmade paper.
Hmm.
Out of the remaining three faces, 50% is handmade and 50% is wrapping paper. That's given to us in a complicated way.
Okay.
We just have to understand that the rest of the three faces, handmade paper and wrapping paper, are divided equally.
Oh, acha.
है
ठीक
ना?
है. Hmm.
So for
Okay.
handmade paper, it will be three faces plus half plus half plus half.
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting it?
Yes, that it's still complicated, but huh.
No, you read the sum again. I'll read it out. Three
Okay.
faces of the cube are covered fully with handmade paper. So that is
Huh.
three faces are handmade paper. The other two faces are
ठीक है.
covered by using four strips of wrapping paper and four strips of handmade paper, each strip
Okay.
of an equal area.
Huh.
So if you are
Okay.
using
Huh.
four strips of each kind and each strip is of same area, then we are using half
Hmm.
up, na?
Yeah, correct.
And
Yeah.
for the sixth page, it says that it is covered half by each kind of paper.
Hmm.
है ना?
Remaining face. Like face. Huh.
So basically, three faces are covered by handmade paper.
Handmade paper.
Out of the remaining three, zero point 0.5 plus zero point 0.5 plus zero point 0.5 is handmade paper,
Hmm.
and the
What's again?
wrapping paper will be zero point 0.5 plus zero point 0.5 plus zero point 0.5, that is 1.5,
Okay.
isn't it?
Huh.
3 ka 50%, na?
Hmm.
That
Hmm.
is 1.5.
That's 1.5. Huh.
Now the area covered by the handmade paper will be 4.5 sides into 25
4.5.
units each,
Huh. 4.5 into 25. Okay.
and the area covered with wrapping paper will be 1.5 faces into 25 units each.
Huh.
So
So,
product of the areas covered by the two papers will be 4.5
huh.
into 25 into
Into
1.5 into
25.
25.
Ah. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Product of the areas. Huh,
just
sir.
go through this sum once more because they have
Hmm.
just unnecessarily complicated it to confuse us.
Okay, so. Hmm.
Okay.